A postdoctoral fellowship is a critical stepping stone for early career scientists. Deepen your expertise, build your research portfolio, and establish yourself as an independent researcher. The UK offers a wide array of postdoctoral fellowship opportunities. Fellowships provide financial support, access to world-class facilities, mentorship, and networking. Whether in astrophysics, AI, or other fields, the UK has a program to help you thrive. Explore prestigious postdoctoral fellowships in the UK. Delve into each fellowship's unique features, criteria, and application processes. Embark on this exciting journey and position yourself for a rewarding career in research. Please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on scientific careers and research opportunities. UK Research and Innovation, or UKRI, offers a range of prestigious fellowships, including the highly competitive Future Leaders Fellowships. These fellowships support early career researchers and innovators with outstanding potential to become future leaders in their fields. Future Leaders Fellowships are open to researchers from a wide range of disciplines, including science, engineering, medicine, arts, and humanities. Fellows benefit from tailored leadership training, mentorship opportunities, and networking events designed to build their leadership capabilities. Applicants are assessed on their research track record, the quality and originality of their proposed research project, their leadership potential, and the potential impact of their research. The Royal Society offers a variety of fellowship schemes, including the University Research Fellowships, or URFs, for early career researchers. URFs provide funding for outstanding early career scientists to build independent research careers at UK universities. These fellowships focus on supporting research in natural and physical sciences, including mathematics, engineering, and computer science. URF holders benefit from mentorship opportunities, networking events, and training programs designed to enhance their research and leadership skills. They also have access to the Society's extensive network of experts and resources. The European Research Council, or ERC, supports frontier research across all fields of science based on scientific excellence. The ERC's starting grants are highly prestigious and sought-after funding schemes for early career researchers. These grants provide up to €1.5 million in funding over 5 years, giving researchers the resources they need to build their research teams and conduct ambitious projects. The ERC encourages applications from researchers working on groundbreaking, high-risk, high-reward projects. Securing an ERC starting grant is a significant achievement, providing substantial funding and international recognition. The ERC's commitment to funding frontier research makes its starting grants an ideal opportunity for ambitious researchers. The Leverhulme Trust is a large national grant-making foundation in the UK that provides funding for research and education. Leverhulme Trust Fellowships are known for their flexibility and support for innovative research projects, particularly in underfunded areas. These fellowships are open to researchers at various career stages, including early career researchers. The Trust offers a range of fellowship schemes, including early career fellowships, research fellowships, and major research fellowships. The Trust encourages applications from researchers working on interdisciplinary projects that address complex research questions. Leverhulme Trust Fellowships emphasize supporting researchers from diverse backgrounds, including underrepresented groups in academia. The Marie Skłodowska-Curie Actions, or MSCA, are a flagship funding program of the European Union. They support the career development and training of researchers. MSCA fellowships enhance researchers' creative and innovative potential. Mobility is key, requiring researchers to move to a different country. Fellowships are open to all disciplines and career stages. The UK has a strong tradition of excellence in physical sciences and engineering, with numerous fellowship opportunities available. The Royal Academy of Engineering offers research fellowships for outstanding early career researchers to establish independent research careers in engineering. The Academy also offers industrial fellowships, allowing researchers to gain experience in applying their research to real-world problems. The Royal Commission for the Exhibition of 1851 provides fellowships in science and engineering for early career researchers with the potential to make significant contributions. These fellowships provide funding for up to 3 years of research at a UK university or research institute. The Herschel Smith Fellowships are highly competitive postdoctoral fellowships available at the University of Cambridge. These fellowships support outstanding early career researchers in the life sciences with the potential to become future leaders. The fellowships provide generous funding for up to 3 years, covering research expenses, salaries, and travel costs. Herschel Smith Fellows benefit from a supportive and intellectually stimulating research environment at Cambridge. They have access to state-of-the-art facilities, collaborate with world-renowned scientists, and participate in a vibrant scientific community. The selection process emphasizes the applicant's research track record, the quality and originality of the proposed research project, and the potential to make significant contributions. The life sciences are a dynamic and rapidly evolving field, constantly pushing the boundaries of our understanding of living organisms. Organizations like Alzheimer's Research UK, the British Heart Foundation, and the Wellcome Trust offer a range of fellowship schemes to support early career researchers. These fellowships provide resources and support for researchers to pursue their research goals and establish themselves as independent researchers. They offer opportunities to work on cutting-edge projects, collaborate with leading scientists, and make significant contributions to our understanding of human health and disease. The fellowships aim to identify and support the brightest minds in the life sciences and empower them to make groundbreaking discoveries. For ambitious researchers in the life sciences aiming to establish their independent research groups, the UK offers a range of prestigious fellowship opportunities. Cancer Research UK, Diabetes UK, and Parkinson's UK provide fellowships to support researchers working on projects with the potential to improve patient lives. These fellowships provide funding for several years, allowing researchers to assemble their research teams, establish their laboratories, and conduct ambitious research programs. The application processes are highly competitive, requiring researchers to demonstrate a strong track record, a compelling research proposal, and a clear vision for their future research careers. The rewards are substantial, providing researchers with the resources and recognition needed to make a lasting impact on science and medicine. International mobility is crucial for fostering scientific excellence and innovation. Organizations like the European Molecular Biology Organization, EMBO, and the Federation of European Biochemical Societies, FEBS, offer fellowships to promote international mobility. These fellowships enable researchers to undertake research stays at leading laboratories worldwide, fostering cross-cultural collaborations. They provide funding for travel, accommodation, and research expenses, allowing researchers to focus on their research objectives. The fellowships offer opportunities to broaden scientific horizons, learn new techniques, and build international research networks. They aim to promote international collaboration and the exchange of scientific knowledge, advancing research and innovation in the life sciences. Clinician Scientist Fellowships play a vital role in bridging the gap between clinical practice and scientific research. These fellowships provide clinicians with the opportunity to dedicate a significant portion of their time to research, translating scientific discoveries into improved patient care. The Medical Research Council, MRC, the National Institute for Health and Care Research, NIHR, and various medical charities offer clinician scientist fellowships in the UK. These fellowships provide funding for clinicians to undertake research projects alongside their clinical duties, fostering a seamless integration of research and clinical practice. Clinician Scientist Fellows benefit from a unique perspective that combines their clinical expertise with rigorous scientific training. These fellowships play a crucial role in advancing medical knowledge and improving patient outcomes. Taking a career break for personal or professional reasons is becoming increasingly common. Several organizations offer fellowships specifically designed for those returning to research after a break. The Daphne Jackson Trust provides fellowships for researchers returning to STEM careers after a break of 2 or more years. The British Heart Foundation offers career re-entry fellowships for researchers returning to cardiovascular research after a break of at least 2 years. These fellowships provide funding for researchers to re-establish themselves in a research environment, update their skills, and develop independent research projects. By providing targeted support and resources, these fellowships enable researchers to successfully reintegrate into the research workforce and continue making valuable contributions to science. The UK offers a wealth of postdoctoral fellowship opportunities for ambitious early career scientists. From UKRI Future Leaders Fellowships to ERC starting grants, the UK supports the next generation of research leaders. These fellowships provide financial support, world-class facilities, and mentorship. Securing a fellowship requires careful planning and a strong research proposal. Best wishes for your success.